In this video, we will be telling about how to create new Paytm account in India. For this, first what you need to do is install Paytm application. From Play Store, you can install Paytm application. After installing Paytm application, open Paytm app. When you are opening Paytm for the first time, you will be asked to create new account. You should give your mobile number here. One thing you should keep in mind is that it is better to give mobile number that you have linked with your bank account. After that, down here you can see proceed securely. And before that, one more option is there. Here you can see one option, get reminder and improve Paytm experience. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on, or if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. I don't want to get reminders, so I am turning it off. After that, down here you can see proceed securely. Click on this proceed securely. Now you need to give some permissions. To give permissions, down here you can see continue option, click on continue. And first you need to give phone calls permission, click on allow. And next you need to give SMS permission, click on allow. And after that you need to give location permission. Here you can see two options. In location permission, click on while using the app. After that you will reach a new page, and here it is saying enter OTP. Now you will receive one OTP, enter that OTP and click continue. After that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see secure Paytm with screen lock. It is better to enable this. Anyways, I am clicking enable now. After that, you will be asked to confirm with fingerprint sensor. I am using fingerprint sensor and now lock is set. Now Paytm app is ready. Now what you need to do is, here you can see profile button. Click on this profile button and here you can see your QR code. Check whether this QR code is there or not. If it is not there, you should activate your account. In most of the case, this will be activated automatically. But one thing you should keep in mind is that phone number that you have given should be linked to your bank account. Anyways, if this account is not activated, what you should do is, down here you can see activate account option. Click on this activate account. And down here you can see reactivate UPI account. Click on reactivate UPI account. Now after that, you will be asked to select SIM. Important thing you should keep in mind is that you should select the account which you have linked with your bank account. After that, down here you can see proceed option. Click on this proceed. Now you can see sending SMS. Within few seconds verification will be completed. Now here you can see new option link bank account. If you are still seeing activate account option, clear this Paytm application from recently used application, and after that again open Paytm application. Now you can see link bank account option. After that, what you need to do is click on link bank account. When you click on that, you will be asked to select the bank. My bank is SBI, so I am selecting SBI. After selecting SBI, within few seconds, my account is added here. I don't want to enter account number and name separately because this phone number is linked with this bank account. If you are facing any issues, you can add account manually. Otherwise, in most of the case, account will be added automatically. So account is also added. After that, again go to profile. Now here you can see your QR code. Now everything is completed. If you can't see this QR code, close this application and open it again. Now if you want to send or receive money, you can do that. To scan, click on this scan and pay. If you are using it for the first time, you should give permission. Click on this allow, and here you can see while using the app option, click on this while using the app. Now you can scan and pay. And if you want to send money to bank account, you can do that also. Anyway, everything is completed. So this way you can create new Paytm account in India. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.